Google Plus communities are large groups of people who are connected in Google Plus based around a common theme. This makes them a perfect way to find highly targeted contacts to add to your already growing circles. Now, the strategy is pretty simple. Once you find some awesome communities based around keyword-related searches to your niche or industry, you're going to join those communities, participate in discussions, and circle people who are doing the same. This way, you can follow their posts on your home stream and engage with their content on your profile or page. Now, what I mean by participate in these communities is to write and share posts in those communities. Now, this will be particularly easy for you because the posts that you're already writing in your Google Plus page or profile will end up being very relatable to the people in these communities. By sharing posts from your profile or page in the community, you create a great way to curate content on your profile or page. You can also share posts you write in the community on your profile or page. Now, the more you engage with the users in the community and reshare content posted there to your profile or page, the more you'll be viewed as a valuable part of that community. This leads to more popularity within the community, which also leads to Google Plus users circling you without you having to circle them first. Now, to find communities, all you need to do is mouse over here to have the flyout menu come up, and then left-click on Communities down here. This will bring you to this page that you've been looking at already. Now, here you see an option to create a community, which we will discuss later on in this module, and then a search bar where you can search communities. Left-click the search bar and enter search keywords in your industry or niche to find communities that you think will help you find more contacts to add to your circles. So, as my favorite example will always be YouTube. And we can search communities based on YouTube. Now, these search results will populate, and you can see how many members are currently in there and who the moderator is or who created it. Now, you can check out the different communities here, and you can left-click on any community to see the activity happening within that community. Now, if you want to join the community, all you got to do is come over here to this button and left-click where it says Join Community. Now, you can scan through the discussions and find people who are most active. This is the important part. What you're going to do is find the most active people, the people commenting the most, or just have the most interesting things to say, and go investigate their profiles. Now, if we simply mouse over their name, a cool little pop-up will show up and give just a little bit of information, like a snapshot of their profile, and you can decide whether or not you want to add them to your circles. Now, this guy looks pretty cool. He's a freelance web developer. Interesting guy. I'm going to go ahead and add him to following, just because it seems like he has good things to say, and he likes video games. It's especially important to note that public community posts can show up in the Google search engine, mostly for those who are already in the community, but if the post is popular enough, the post can show up in Google the same way a public Google Plus post can show up in the Google search engines. So this is just another great way to find highly targeted, active Google Plus users to add to your circles that you can then further communicate with and engage on a deeper level through your own circles. Now, in the next video, I want to talk to you about finding moderators or community group creators and interviewing them on a Google Plus Hangout that you can use to get even more subscribers to your YouTube channel and more followers on Google Plus. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video.